Terry Bollea, better known to the world as wrestling legend Hulk Hogan, has passed away at the age of 71. The WWE Hall of Famer died on Thursday, July 24th, at his home in Florida, just a year after publicly dedicating his life to Christian faith. According to the Clearwater Police Department, the cause of death was cardiac arrest. Hogan was one of the most recognizable figures in pop culture. A six-time WWE champion, he had become a beloved figure to wrestling fans around the world. In December 2023, Hogan shared on social media that he had been baptized, marking a renewed spiritual chapter in his life. He wrote in a heartfelt post, quote, "Total surrender and dedication to Jesus is the greatest day of my life. No worries, no hate, no judgment, only love," end quote. A video from the ceremony showed Hogan being fully immersed in a pool, emerging with a broad smile while still wearing his signature bandana. His wife Sky Daly was also baptized alongside him. Before this public affirmation of faith, Hogan had spoken openly about his Christian beliefs. In a 2023 tweet, he reflected on his journey, revealing that he had accepted Christ as a savior at the age of 14. "The training, prayers, and vitamins kept me in the game," he wrote. "But now that he is one with God, the main event theme of surrender, service, and love makes him the real main event that can slam any giant of any size through the power of his Lord and Savior." In a 2009 interview, he spoke candidly about the transformative power of faith in his life. He said, quote, "I accepted Christ as my Savior. He died on the cross and paid for my sins," end quote. Hogan also encouraged others to turn to faith regardless of their circumstances. He believed that no one needed to be perfect before coming to God. Rather, they could come as they were, trusting that God would do the rest. Following the news of his passing, US President Donald Trump took to social media to pay tribute, calling Hogan a great friend and "Make America Great Again" all the way. Hogan is survived by his third wife Sky Daly, who he wed in 2023, children Brooke 37 and Nick 34, who he shared with his first wife Linda Carlbridge, and two grandchildren. Hogan leaves behind a legacy not only as a cultural icon and professional wrestler, but also as a man who found peace, purpose, and hope through his faith.